Hi guys, welcome to another new episode of our channel. And today, as I promised last week, we have an alumni of Coventry University who did his post-graduation in International Business School. Let's check out his experience at Coventry University. Hi Sijin, so welcome to our Coventry University special episode.
Hi, good morning everyone.
Hope you are doing great. So first of all, can you please give us an intro about yourself?
My name is Sijin. I am from India and I am a former student of Coventry University, UK. And through this video, I'll be sharing to you guys about my experience in Coventry University. So before we begin, I did my studies in Coventry University from 2017 to 2018. And at the moment, I am in the United Arab Emirates. I'm working for the UAE Ministry of Education in Dubai. So as a business lecturer. And throughout this video, I'll share some of my modest experiences I had in Coventry University and just provide an overall review of mine.
Wow, that's great. Can you tell us more about the course you chose to do at Coventry University?
I studied a master's degree. I did my MSc in International Business Management at Coventry University, UK. From 2017 May to 2018 May. I graduated in the July of 2018.
Wow, that was a good choice. And let me ask you, how would you describe your experience at Coventry University?
My experience at Coventry University, I would say, was absolutely rewarding. We had amazing faculty. I made a lot of friends from all around the world. The university is really excellent with the facilities and the support they provide to students. I would say with regard to my specific course, the faculties were excellent and we really had a globalized classroom. We had students coming in from all parts of the world. We had students from the subcontinent, we had students from the Middle East, we had students from Europe, we had students from the US and Canada, we had students coming in from Australia, so from all around the world. So it was a very much a globalized classroom, so that helped to open up my worldview as well.
So how many class hours did you have during the week?
So it was a 1-year course. UK master degrees are specifically for 1 year. So this was a 1-year course. And with regard to my specific course, we would have classes in around, I would say, four days a week. I would say 4 days a week. And then on the day we have classes, we would have classes for around 4 to 5 hours. But again, it highly depends on the course that you do. Suppose you're doing more intensive courses such as medicine or courses like that, it can even go, you can even expect classes for up to 7 to 8 hours. So it really depends on the course that you're doing. But with regard to my course, as what I had experienced, we had around 4 days in a week, and then that would be around 4 to 5 hours in a day on the day we have the classes. And we would be assessed mostly through courseworks. There would be exams for some subjects though, but mostly it was courseworks. And we were basically doing our own work, doing our own research, and the university provides excellent facilities where you can do in all the same.
And let me also ask you, how happy are you with the facilities Coventry University provides to you as a postgraduate student?
Again, going deeper into the facilities at Coventry University, we have a state-of-the-art library, the Lancaster Library. That's the biggest of its kind in Europe, I would say. It's a huge library where you can spend how much ever time you want doing your research with computers, with physical books, all kind of journals, and they really help you out with it. And we have facilities such as Center for Academic Writing, where they help you with how to frame your dissertations, your courseworks on the languages. And then we have a student place called the Hub, where we can get together, we can sit with your friends, you can discuss things, and then you can avail all the university facilities. And then basically Coventry University offers everything that you need to make your student life memorable as an international student, especially if you're coming in or you're traveling outside your home country for the first time. There's absolutely no problem to worry. The university is always ready to help you.
That's a great experience, I would say, for an international student, especially. Many students came to me asking about the chances of getting a job after the course. Or can you shed more light in this area? Like, how would you rate the chances of getting a job after you graduated from Coventry University?
Well, that is a tricky question. It highly depends on the course that you do, your nationality, and how well you have actually performed on your course. So, with regard to me, I would say that my experience at Coventry University absolutely helped me to gain the job that I am now in. A degree from the UK boosts up your chance of employment, absolutely, no matter what people say, but it does improve your employment prospect. It improves your worldview, how you do the work. Basically, everything is done on your own. You do your own research, you do your own work, and finally you come out as a better person. So the university absolutely helped me for that. And I would say the employment prospects are pretty good, especially with regard to the changes that have come now in the UK. It helps you to find a job in the UK. Should be pretty easy right now, I would say, given the ease of regulations and the stay back for international students. But even if you try in a country outside the UK, a degree from Coventry will absolutely help you for this.
And some kids also came asking about the student accommodation facilities. So, did you stay in the university accommodation or did you rent a house outside the university? And can you please tell us more about the accommodation you stayed in?
With regard to my stay at Coventry University, I did not stay at university accommodation. I was staying in a privately rented home. I was staying in a privately rented home with two of my other friends. That was a cheaper option. But even if you do decide to stay at university accommodation, it's I wouldn't say it's very cheap, but then it's affordable. It's not. It will not be extremely. It will not be extremely expensive or something that's gonna break your pocket. But I would say you have the option of getting cheap, affordable housing outside the university as well. So it's really a personal choice that I would say. Some of you would prefer to stay in the university hostels or the accommodations, but most of the international students that I have come across, they stay in private accommodations or homes outside the university campus. But one thing that I can surely say is that housing will not be an issue for you in Coventry. You can easily find cheap and affordable options in Coventry.
We would also like to know whether you did any part-time jobs during your course and how was your experience with managing your part-time job along with your studies?
Interesting question that a lot of students have doubt on. So according to UK law, you will be allowed to work 20 hours a week. As of the current regulations, you will be allowed to work 20 hours a week during term time. Term time refers to when you have your classes. So 20 hours a week in term time, and during your holidays you will be allowed to work full time. So term time is typically when we have our classes going on. In term time we were allowed to work 20 hours. So I used to work in two places. I used to work for the university as a postgraduate student ambassador for the recruitment and the admissions office. We had occasional work coming in, especially when we had open university days, when students from outside would come to universities and see around the campus. We would go around assisting them, and it was a paid job. It was a really good job. It helped me to enhance my skills. I could put this on my CV when I got a certificate after I had graduated my university for the work I had done. And then I also worked as a salesperson in a convenience store, in a petrol store that was located in Coventry. It helped me to cover some of my expenses as well. So finding part-time should not be a very difficult or a tedious job for an international student coming for the first time. But please make sure that you have adequate savings to see through the course. Do not depend on the probability of getting a part-time in the UK when you are studying. But it is definitely doable, and it will not be very difficult to gain a part-time in Coventry, I would say.
So lastly, what is a message that you would want to give to the freshers joining at Coventry University?
You don't have to be tensed at all. I was in the same boat as you, but then it turned out to be an absolutely rewarding experience. There are lots of people who's out there to help you. There are a lot of people out there to guide you and give you advice. You will find the people from your country who are already in Coventry University, and they will help you. people from everywhere, especially the university, spares no effort to make sure that international students are comfortable in Coventry University. You have a student center, you have a contact line for them, and you can tell them if you face them any issues. So what I would advise to the new people is just make sure you know about the place. You make sure you know about the UK in general. You know about the culture, the customs in the UK, and how people. The basic study and the work culture in UK. It might be difficult from your home country. You might face an initial culture shock when you come to the UK for the first time, but then surely you will settle in and you will find that this is definitely an enjoyable place. You will suit into the culture, the weather, and everything over time. But then I would say ensure you make the best of your university experience. Try to explore the place, try to explore the university, the different options it has to offer. A lot of time what I see is students who come from abroad, they fail to make use of the university facilities. But that would be really bad if you would do that. For example, you have to try out everything that the university has to offer. We have a lot of clubs. Depending on your interest, you can join the clubs. You can make use of the university research facilities, and how you would there are different wonderful opportunities that come up in Coventry University. So please ensure that you make the best of your student life at Coventry University, and I wish all the best to everyone who is planning to join Coventry University. So that will be the end of my humble review. Thank you.
So Sijin, we would love to thank you for your time and for your great share of experiences. We are proud and happy that you could make it to our channel. Now let's review the testimony Sijin has given about Coventry University. Do share it with your friends, whoever is struggling to get an answer, because if you're going for higher studies abroad for the first time, then you need to have an idea of how it would be, and I totally understand that, which is why I try to collect details from wherever I can for the benefit of you guys. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode, and let's see in the next episode with another useful content. Until then, take care, keep smiling, and bye bye. Oh, I forgot something. So if you have any doubts or questions, do let me know either in the comment section or in the WhatsApp number as a message, or you can also contact me through any source that I have mentioned in the description box.